Fiskars makes a bunch of different hole punches, and these are very fast, easy ways to get a consistent circle. So here's the size of the circle. You can always tell in the back of their packaging the actual size that the punch is going to be. It's also, these are all circles, but it also would be the shape. They do everything from little feet to stars to hearts to moons and clovers. So you can see the shape on the front of the paddle, and you can see that there's a way you can push on a table if you needed to. When you push on it, it's going to push the cutter down and cut that perfect circle. These can cut through paper or any material that's paper-like, cardboard and different types of materials. They also give you a slide here to retain the pieces that you're making. So if you're cutting colored adhesive material, or you made a bunch of circle designs on adhesive printer paper, you could go through and cut these things out and make them into small stickers, and you're not going to worry about losing them. You've got the little drawer there that holds essentially the large confetti or your projects there. So these are great for getting consistent circles if you're doing buttons or other projects, or even if you need confetti on some of the smaller ones here. Hope this helps.